like soggy. Come on, Ellie. Come on, baby. Come on, Daddy. You can do it. Blake, go out this way. Come on. Come on now. Don't pull him. Come on, sweetheart. You don't like the water. Come on, sweetheart. Nolly, come. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, sweetheart. He doesn't like it. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, look. Come on, Nolly. Just go real slow, honey. Is it too cold for you, buddy? Oh, there you go. Good job. Hi, good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, that's perfect. Good job. It's all right. Let him come back. Come on, buddy. No, thank you, Mama. Forget about it. I'm not going anywhere without Mama. All right, sweetie, come on. I got this.
Let's go.
Mike. There he goes. Yeah, the river is a little bit high. You left me, Denali. How could you? So kind of a canine companion you are. Oh, it's so high. Good job, Denali. You ready? Let's go. Yeah, this is a little bit too hot for swimming, honey. That was fun. Did you have fun in the river, Denali? Say heck no, that was ridiculous.